Welcome to the Ozark National Forest, where pristine trails, rugged terrain, and unforgettable scenery come together for the ultimate outdoor adventure. If you're chasing adrenaline and serenity in one trip, you found the right place. Here, off-road trails wind through dense hardwood forest, along rocky creeks and over sweeping ridges that reward you with panoramic views and a sense of untouched wilderness. And when you're ready to pause that throttle, the forest opens up to quiet, footpath hikes that reveal cascading waterfalls, emerald valleys, and wildlife encounters that feels almost prehistoric. Hey everybody, welcome. My name's Tim. I'm with jeepinandexplorin, and today we're down here in the Ozarks bringing you what beauty we have down here. We are in Arkansas, and we are doing a trail review video today, and it is sponsored by Torch Off-Road. If you haven't checked out Torch Off-Road, make sure and go to their website, and they've got all kinds of stuff for you, for lift kits, all kinds of accessories for everything from Jeeps, Toyotas, anything you can think of. Recently, they reached out to me, and they have a YouTube channel that you can go on and check out, and it offers all kinds of good trail reviews and install videos. And they asked if they could sponsor a video for us and do a trail review. So we said, sure, we'll do that and offer up something for everybody to enjoy. So what we chose to do is we are doing the Car Wash Falls Trail. And it is one of the most popular trails down here in Arkansas in the Ozarks. And one of the reasons is not only the scenic beauty, but it's just a good trail for everybody that they can do. It's not a super technical trail. It's got a few water crossings, some awesome campsites along the trail you can do. There's a few places where you need a little bit of four-wheel drive, but we'll talk about that and show you along the way. And then on the end of the trail, if you have not done this, you can see why this trail is called Car Wash Falls. So stay tuned. We're going to take you along. Really think you'll enjoy this. And if you haven't been to the Ozarks, we hope this trail is something that you'll want to do and add to your list. So we'll see you up the road. Just west of Deer, Arkansas on Highway 16, you'll turn left on Newton County 7460. You'll see signs that says Limestone, and your first part of the trail will be nothing but scenic dirt roads. As you're descending down to the valley, you'll be greeted by beautiful, awesome overlooks and then massive bluff lines. Oh yeah, and be on the lookout for the angel statue inside the hole in the rock. Let us know in the comments if you notice it along your route. When you reach the beautiful valleys of Arkansas, always be on the lookout for our wildlife. You can see anything from deer to turkey or even a herd of elk if you catch it just the right time in the mornings or the evenings. Be sure and be on the lookout for Newton County 7470. That's where you'll make a left, and this is what starts the beginning of the Limestone section of the trail. If you stay straight, you'll end up in the little community of Limestone and have to turn around and come back. The mud puddles on this trail are very hard rock bottoms, so you won't have to worry about sinking into these. But if you're worried about the depths, just stop, find you a stick on the side of the road, check the depth, and make sure you're comfortable with it. The whole length of this trail you'll be running parallel to the Big Piney Creek. There are several opportunities to take in some beautiful views and even a couple opportunities to park and camp right next to the river. Just make sure that when you do, make sure you're not on private property. Having a good map source such as OnX Offroad or Gaia GPS and having the layer of showing private property boundaries is highly recommended when you're doing these off-road adventures. So if you make this trail, this is all national forest down in this part. Just make sure and check your maps on OnX Guy or whatever, and that shows boundaries. But this is all Ozark National Forest, and you can see all these beautiful rock formations. This one in there has a big rock shelter that goes back in there that you can crawl under. And then on the other side of the road here, you got the beautiful Piney River right there with all kinds of primitive camp spots. So if you do this trail, take your time, enjoy the scenery, hike up the hills here, see what you can find. I know there's lots of hidden waterfalls and everything in this area, so you can study it up, do a little bit of hiking, and actually enjoy the trail if you enjoy doing anything on foot. But we're going to continue on. We'll see you up the trail. They call it Car Wash Falls. Now, depending on what time of the year you come through here, this thing can really be rolling off pretty good. And up through there along the way, there's a lot of places. If you come here in the rainy season, there's waterfalls coming off everywhere. Real beautiful. Right now, we've been pretty dry. The piney's down a little bit more than normal. We haven't had any rain for a while, but we still got decent little flow off there so you guys can see what it's about. But this is why they call it Car Wash Falls. So we got a little farther up the trail. We're almost done with it. There's a water crossing up here that we're going to show you guys at the end of this, and depending on, again, the water levels on that, depending on, you know, how much lift you would need on your vehicle. But this is a point here where if you had to, you could go up, turn around. There's another way back up out of here if you follow your maps, if you can't get across the creek. But we will show you that, and we're going to get back up the trail. All right, so that was the water crossing there, and we actually it's down a little bit. We actually caught just a stock Jeep. I think it was a Grand Cherokee or Cherokee when it crossed it, but it was a little deep on them. We are on 35s. It was probably about up to our steps, 3.5-inch lift. Give you an idea what it's like in the dry. In the real rainy season, it could get pretty deep. So if you come in from the north from it's the Limestone Trail, it says. If you come in from the north from Deer, Arkansas, coming south, you can make it all the way with a stock four-wheel drive, basically all the way to this point. If you come to this point not comfortable with it, it's just an easy drive back up, and you can look at your map, and there's a couple roads that take off, and they're just basic dirt roads, so you don't have to make this crossing if you don't want. But from here it goes back out to 123 over toward Hall Creek Falls, and this is where we're going to leave you here. As you can see, right by the water, there is a nice primitive camp spot here. There's many of them up along here, so plenty of camping on that. Just whether you use OnX or Gaia, any of those platforms, they should show a lot of this stuff. This trail is marked green on OnX. It's called Car Wash Trail, if you want to look that up. But anyways, this is definitely a beautiful area. It's something easy that everybody can do if you got a four-wheel drive. Sections of it you could do in a two-wheel drive if you wanted, but most recommended four-wheel drive with just a little bit of clearance. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you got any questions on this trail, we'll be glad to answer them. Just drop a comment below. We will leave a link to all the info for Torch Off-Road. We appreciate them stepping up with us and collaborating on this video and sponsoring this video. Hopefully we can do something for them again in the future. So in the meantime, we're going to end it here, and we're going to head on out. If you enjoy what you've seen, make sure and like and subscribe to us at Jeepin' and Explorin'. We're on all the social media platforms, and we got more stuff coming up the pipeline on our channel. So if you're a subscriber, stay tuned for that. But we appreciate you being here. As always, keep exploring. We will see you guys next trip. Thanks.